Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to know the type of RAM your system is using without losing the system. So in order to know that, you take your cursor to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, then click on the task manager. Once the task manager opens, you go to performance. Once the performance opens, click on the memory. You can see that the system is using DDR3 type of RAM, and the total memory installed in this system is 4 gig RAM. So with this, I believe you already know the type of RAM your system is using and the total memory installed in your system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, click on the notification bell icon, share the video, like and comment your opinion. Thank you.